So I'm Harry White, new to TXM at the start of this year, and I guess my journey to TXM was initially a referral. It was from another recruiter from another business in Derby. So I said to him, look, I'm looking to move back from London, and he said, well, why don't you have a look at TXM, which I thought was quite strange, recommended a different company to his own, which straight away kind of alarm bells are ringing as to, well, it must be a good company to go and work for. So I got in contact with James Wall, the MD. We just had a brief telephone conversation, and from there everything kind of ticked all the boxes. It was screaming out a great place to work, kind of the opportunities that were there, the clients that they were working with. So from there, he said, right, go and meet Christian, who's based in the Derby office, and then the interview went from there, and here I am now. My first few weeks at TXM have been positive. A real friendly environment, settled in quite nicely, and along with that, it's been extremely fast-paced, hard-working. My role is to sit within the Formula One sectors of the business, and predominantly to work with Mercedes. So I had the luxury of going to Mercedes, to their AMG HPP site in Northampton. For many people, would never probably get a chance to do that. It's completely locked off, high security. So just to kind of see that world and how they operate in there was second to none, really. It's a bit like a heart surgery in there, rather than making engines for cars. And working for such a prestigious brand as Mercedes, it's definitely got my career at TXM off to a great start, and looking forward for as long may it continue. First few weeks and months with TXM, I've had an extensive training program. So the initial thing that I started was the buy or recruiter. So that is it's about a 25 module program that just gets you back up to speed with all the fundamentals of recruitment. So an online portal, online examinations and quizzes and assignments, and that just kind of sets that like I said, that fundamental base. So that's been really good. And alongside that, Shrina, one of the coaches for TXM, we do kind of external sessions. So rather than just doing that online platform and leaving it there, we're then going to put that into kind of a practical scenario situation between all of the people that completed the bio assessments. And also, I've got, almost feels like 24/7 support from Christian, who's kind of my line manager here at TXM. So yeah, anything that I've had any issues with or something I'm not too sure about, the support has been second to none, really. Mainly because the brand that they've kind of designed. Like I said initially, I had recruiters from other businesses that were recommending TXM, which probably not many people do that. So initially, like I said, that was a huge calling sign for me to come here. As we discussed, the training plans, the kind of people development is amazing. Anything you need, you get. And then once you're kind of settled, there's that clear pathway of, do you want to go and be a consultant? Do you want to go to kind of the managerial route? They just lay that pathway, really. And just you can go any directions you want to go. So yeah, I'd 100% recommend someone joining TXM. The culture at TXM, it's fun. You come into work, you enjoy coming to work, and I guess with that, the hard work that comes in, you get rewarded for that. So we have incredible incentives. We're off to Ascot this year if we hit our targets, which we're well on track to do so. So it's an environment where if you put in the good work, you get heavily rewarded for that, which makes it all worth it.